She's looking at a bird.
Oh, she wants it. Look at that tail.
Yep.
She's mad. She wants that.
Look at her eyes. She's got the hunting eyes out going. It's like she's ready to... ready to jump on something.
She almost backed my foot.
Can you get up and go see what she's looking at?
Yeah. There's a stink.
What are you looking at?
Just so you know, there's a stink bug down there.
Ew. Gross. Can I put it in your sandwich?
It's real. Oh, that is disgusting, Mother. It's real. I don't know what she's looking at. I can't see it.
Claire, do you see the bug? Come here. You want to see it?
I don't know what she's looking at because I don't see it.
She sees something we don't see.
Oh, she's looking at that bird.
Oh yeah, she
It keeps flying over here and back and forth.
She likes birds.
But I think she likes mice better.
Mice better. It's gonna start getting cold. She's gonna start bringing us some mice.
Disgusting.
Claire, you got some major bedhead going on. Did she take that from you?
This is not yours.
That's hers, sweetie.
made
Where's the
this-
kitty going?
Oh,
She's got her eyes on something. What is she looking at?
Oh, I see.
Do you see it?
He has a
Stick?
flying up in the air.
Yeah, let's not play with the stick. No. Let's put the stick down. Claire, can you put the stick down?
No. Give it to me.
Hey,
Mine. Give it. No,
Claire
I
Joy.
need-
Claire Joy,
put
look
it
at Mama.
back.
Claire Joy, look at Mama. Oh, she's such a stinker. Give that to me. Right now. Come here.